complaint of green hair related to a new water softener installation connected to a 200-amp residential service requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve the underlying cause. Firstly, consider electrical interference, also known as EMI. Verify that the water softener is properly grounded and connected to a dedicated circuit. Improper grounding can lead to stray electrical currents that react with minerals in the water, potentially causing discoloration. Ensure that there are no loose or damaged electrical connections. Loose connections can create voltage fluctuations and increase the likelihood of electrical interference. Check for any harmonics or electromagnetic disturbances on the electrical line. These disturbances can originate from other appliances or equipment and affect the water softener's operation. Secondly, examine the potential for excessive sodium or iron removal. The water softener may be removing too much sodium or iron from the water, altering its chemical composition and impacting hair color. Calibrate the water softener according to the manufacturer's instructions. Incorrect settings can lead to over-softening or excessive mineral removal. Test the water hardness and iron levels to verify the optimal settings. These tests provide valuable data for adjusting the water softener's operation. Thirdly, investigate potential chemical imbalances in the water. Check the pH balance of the water. An imbalanced pH can affect how minerals interact with air. Test for the presence of chlorine or other chemicals that could react with metals in the hair. Certain chemicals can cause discoloration when combined with softened water. Flush the water system thoroughly to remove any impurities. This helps eliminate potential contaminants that could contribute to the problem. Fourthly, inspect the plumbing system for any issues. Look for leaks or corrosion in the plumbing. Leaks can introduce contaminants into the water supply. Ensure that the water softener is not connected to copper or galvanized pipes, which can react with softened water. These reactions can release metals that cause discoloration. Check the anode rod in the water heater, as it may need to be replaced. A corroded anode rod can affect water chemistry. Fifthly, review the hair products used by the homeowner. Ask about any hair products or treatments they are using. Certain shampoos, conditioners, or hair dyes may react with softened water, causing discoloration. Sixthly, consider other contributing factors. The individual's diet and health may also affect hair color. Nutrient deficiencies can alter hair's chemical composition. Check for any recent changes to the homeowner's lifestyle or medications. Certain medications can affect hair pigmentation. Troubleshooting steps 1. Eliminate electrical interference. Ensure proper grounding of the water softener. Check all electrical connections for tightness and integrity, and conduct a thorough electrical inspection to identify and address any potential sources of interference. Troubleshooting steps 2. Optimize water softener settings. Calibrate the water softener according to the manufacturer's guidelines and test the water to determine the appropriate salt level and regeneration frequency, adjusting as necessary to achieve optimal water softening without excessive mineral removal. Troubleshooting steps 3. Address chemical imbalances. Check the pH of the water and adjust it to the appropriate range. Test for chlorine and other chemicals that may be contributing to the problem, and flush the entire water system to remove any accumulated impurities or contaminant. Troubleshooting steps 4. Inspect the plumbing system. Look for any leaks or signs of corrosion in the pipes, fittings, and connections, and ensure that the water softener is compatible with the plumbing materials to prevent adverse reactions or leaching of metals into the water. Troubleshooting steps 5. Review hair products. Eliminate any hair products that may be interacting with the softened water and causing discoloration, recommending alternative products if necessary to minimize potential interactions. Troubleshooting step 6. Consider other factors. Explore any lifestyle or health factors that may be contributing to the problem, such as diet, medications, or underlying health conditions, and recommend consulting with a healthcare professional for further evaluation if needed. These steps should help identify and resolve the green hair issue related to the water softener installation.